welcome to Revival Seeds. I'm Mallory.
I'm Ken.
And I'm Kathy.
This is Leo.
And we'd like to give you a tour of our farm.
Leaving downtown on a holiday to the open air from the jungle haze of America, lost in the urban maze. Colorful clouds paint our scene, winding roads, sun-kissed trees are calling me my pretty holiday. I'm many miles away and it feels the same. Help me find my way on a holiday. Now I'm thinking that I should get away, find a pretty holiday. Pack my bags, I'm on my way to find a pretty holiday. Cruising down a big highway, million-mile single lane in Canada, lost in the Georgian Bay. Moving down the valley-way, winded hair on my face, I'm headed to my pretty holiday. 1,000 miles away and it looks the same. Help me find my way. Pretty holiday, thinking that I should get away, find a pretty holiday. Pack my bags, I'm on my way, find a pretty holiday. Holiday, pretty holiday. Found my pretty holiday. Thousand miles away and it feels the same. Now I'm thinking that I should get away, find a pretty holiday. Pack my bags, I'm on my way to find a pretty holiday. Seeing old friends along the way, found a pretty holiday. Never look back and leave this place, found my pretty holiday. Holiday, found my pretty holiday. Pretty holiday.
Hi, welcome to Garlic Storage. Today we have 55% humidity and 16 degrees.
Every seed tells a story.